Updating your billing plan on Yodlee is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Yodlee account. Access your Yodlee account by visiting the official website and entering your login credentials. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to make billing changes. Step 2. Navigate to billing settings. Once logged in, locate the settings or account section in the main menu. From there, find the billing or billing plan option to access your current billing details. Step 3. Review current plan. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select new billing plan. Choose the new billing plan you wish to switch to. Yodlee typically provides options for different plans based on your needs. Make sure to read the descriptions and pricing before making your selection. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to provide payment information or agree to new terms. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification of the successful update. After completing these steps, your billing plan on Yodlee will be updated. Make sure to check your email for confirmation and keep an eye on your account for any further notifications.